Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an appointment website using a Squarespace. Let's dive right into it and get started on the computer. First, let's head over to the Squarespace dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see the main control panel. To begin, click on the Create a Website button. Now on this screen, you will need to choose a template. Look for options, portfolio and scheduling. Or you can also choose professional services. So this is perfect for businesses that need to manage appointments like doctors or consultants. Browse through the templates and pick one that suits your style. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this one. You can preview the template by clicking on the View Demo button. Or you can just select it. Now choose the color palette for your website and select Start with this design. So once you have chosen your template, it's time to customize your site. Start by entering your site's name, something like your business name. Now click on Continue. Now proceed through the setup prompts by clicking on Continue and Get Started. Now let's take a look at the site editor. Here, you can adjust the text by clicking on any section and typing in your own content. Here, you'll have to click on the Edit button at the top. Now, select any text that you want to edit. For example, if I'll have to edit this text, I'll select it, click on this pencil icon. Now I can choose to make this text bold, italic, and format it accordingly. I can also choose the color of this text. You can also add something new on this block by clicking on the Add Block button. Now choose whether you want to add text, image, video, audio, or any other kind of element on your website. For example, if I would need another image like this on my website, I'll select image, click on the plus icon, choose upload file, choose an image, adjust it accordingly on this block and click on the save button at the top. So I've added this image for example purposes. Now you can add a new page on your website to make it more attractive. Now if you want to remove or add sections, just navigate to that section and click on remove. Click on remove again and that section will be removed from your website. Now adding elements like images, contact forms or newsletters is simple. Just click on add block and choose that here and select the desired element respectively. Now I'm going to remove this. Now let's explore the pages section. Click on save, click on exit, select pages, navigate to the contact section. And this is where you can add your contact information like your email and business name. You can also edit any other section of this site such as services or testimonials by clicking on them and making the necessary changes. For example, if you want to edit this email here, just select the settings icon just after contact and click on this text. Now select the edit icon. Now you can choose to remove this address and add your address accordingly. And add your business information like address, city, PIN code, and your respective email and mobile phone number here. Select this text, remove it, add any mobile phone number you want and click on save button at the top. So this will be our business's contact page. Anyone can contact us using this. Click on save and select exit. Now navigate to the pages section at the left of the screen. So click on pages under website and for example if you have a booking page, click on it to customize the content. Now let's set up your appointment booking system. Navigate to the contact page, click on the book now option and navigate to the booking page and click on the block where you want to manage your appointments. For example, this one. Here, you'll have to scroll down and select this block. Click on the edit option at the top. Now after you click on the edit button, you'll have to click on add existing schedule or you can click on the setup button. Now on this page, you can adjust your appointment types, set up your calendar and create custom booking links that you can share on your social media or your website. You can choose to create appointment types, set your availability and design your scheduling page accordingly. And these are customizable fields, so I'm not going to go depth into it. You'll have to simply adjust your appointment types, calendar and create custom bookings on this page. And that differs for different people, so I'm not going in depth into this. So we'll go back. And once everything is set up, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the save button at the top left corner. You can preview your site to see how it looks live. Make sure all your pages like service page and booking page are working correctly. You have now created a fully functional appointment website on Squarespace. Thanks for watching this tutorial and don't forget to check out my other videos for more helpful tips.